I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you find an unauthorized withdrawal on your PNC app, disputing it can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open the PNC app. Launch the PNC mobile app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, go to the Accounts section and select the account with the disputed withdrawal. Look for the Transactions tab to view your recent activity. Step 3. Identify the disputed transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the isrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. After selecting the transaction, look for the dispute button. Follow the prompts to provide details about why you believe the transaction is unauthorized. Step 5. Submit and confirm. Once you've filled out the necessary information, submit your dispute. You should receive a confirmation notification or email regarding your dispute status. Remember to check your email for updates on your dispute status, as it may take a few days for PNC to process it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to customer service. Good luck!